This morning, the South bracing for a major winter storm that could bring record-breaking snow and dangerous ice. Forecasters warning of a widespread, potentially catastrophic event from Texas to the Carolinas.
We've got a huge, expansive, enhanced risk area, essentially, for a major winter storm.
That means a significant winter storm is on the horizon.
The massive winter storm will create a crippling ice storm that will stretch from New Mexico to the mid-Atlantic.
With the way this is going, if there is less than 3 meters of snow, I will be shocked because like everything is going against us. Hey everybody, it's Friday and I have the team at home today. I also want to make sure that everybody has some time to do some prep because apparently there might be some weather coming our way. And I don't know if some of the things that we ordered are going to arrive today like they're supposed to, or if they don't. If we're even going to be able to get into the studio next week, and if so, when. We're supposed to be getting some pretty bad ice. So I'll update on my end how it's going, and we're just going to do our best and hope for the best. I don't know how else to put it. So here's hoping. This might be a rough ride.
All right, it is Sunday morning and this is the snow. I was promised multiple inches, so I am quite displeased.
Trees are looking a little heavy. Doesn't look like much snow fell, but ice did fall. So anyway, that's the update. We'll see how today goes, and if we can get into that studio tomorrow and start getting to work, provided everything showed up. That's the update.
But technically that's the right size. We thought that was the right size. And we measured with this.
Mike, it's not my fault. It's Amazon's fault. You see?
And did we get the other dimmer switches in?
No.
Did you see the curtains?
I saw the curtains, yes.
I'm
First,
so mad about the curtains.
yeah, I believe you. I know that curtains are, sorry. I know that curtains are a pet peeve of yours. Maybe we can use these clips to do like an 80s music montage video. Time-lapse montage. What are those called? You know what I'm talking about?
Montage?
Well, like, no, but like in the 80s, like during like Karate Kid or like Rocky when they're doing the training. Like it's like set to music.
The training montage?
Training montage. Yeah. Can we do that?
Sure.
All right, let's do that.
I need a hero.
All right, so I had to head out a little early yesterday, and the team was going to be getting things moved further along because we are out of time. Like, we are just out of time. We have to get this done. So Ming just got in, and he told me that, well, things didn't go to plan yesterday, so I'm about to go find out. And it doesn't bode well that there's already people here having deep discussions, but we'll find out what happens. What I heard I missed something yesterday? No, I mean, that looks good, but Ming said something.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
I gotta get to work.
I've never heard him say that with such chutzpah.
It
Okay.
needs to be up by the first show, so that's what I'm.
Yeah.
that's what I'm
Okay.
doing right
Yeah.
now.
Stop talking. Just do it.
Nick, can I get you anything?
No.
Okay. I can go get you an energy drink.
Just stay out of my way.
Just stay out of my way, or you'll pay. Listen to what I say.
How about I just go eat some hay?
Oh. Yeah, everyone loves the warm blood, so.
That's right.
That was the right call.
Thank you. Every now and then I get one right. Okay, so the story is we were doing a thumbnail for one of our vlog videos, and Katie and I accidentally got into a prom pose, and then we just sort of went with it, and then we put it into Chat GPT, and it cooked further. So, yeah, we'll just put that image
You
up on
look
the
like
screen.
you've never had a happier night.
Let me tell you something.
Best night of your life.
In my mind, how this night went, Katie had a really good time too.
Katie still looks annoyed.
Like I said, it would be the happiest day of my life.
Like you just pulled something really dumb and she's just like, just take
Actually,
the photo.
you can see I got a knife to her back, and that's her like, now smile for the camera. That's kind of on par with how my actual prom went, so yeah. I mean, now you're working on stuff for the first Jerry's Live workshop?
Yeah.
All right, can you give him a little teaser? Man, interesting man.
Most interesting man in the world.
So what are like the key skills they can expect to learn?
I don't want to be...
Ming, we're trying to do a promo.
Oh
Jeez.
my God.
Sorry. No, he's trying to work. We got like 12 minutes left before we go live.
Very interesting man.
Stay thirsty, my friends.
So I'm gonna try and get this done.
Excellent. We got a lot of cool stuff coming up. If we get this set done.
Working on it. I'm gonna let Christina hammer in the hammer in the anchors. It's her favorite part.
She gets a hammer in her hand and she goes to town.
I'm not always aggressive.
We could have been doing that the whole time, Ming.
I thought it had to have more force left.
Turns out it could have been basically dead silent the whole time. Are you actually helping this time?
No.
Actually, you're not. Nothing's attached. You could probably.
I can completely let go. And it's
Ming,
fine.
can you go just do some other work? I feel like I have it in my heart to do it. Who's waving paper? What are you doing? I'm trying to.
Sorry.
All right, everybody's out on the set, and we're getting things kind of wrapped up. And I just want to say that for those of you that have been following the series, we appreciate you watching, and hope we've enjoyed it. We're having fun back here, but we do take this very seriously. We wouldn't put in all this effort if we didn't. We really want to give you guys. I mean, obviously, we want to entertain and educate. And this was a little bit more on the silly side, and that's kind of like who we are. We wanted to show a little bit of our personalities behind the scenes. But in terms of like Jerry's Live workshops and what you can expect, I feel really confident that this is going to be a really great place for you to come, learn, ask your questions, get detailed answers. We really wanted to create an atmosphere where it wasn't rushed, and it was creating really great value to you guys, the artist community, wherever you are in the world, anywhere that you can get on there. And if you can't reach us live, it lives on, YouTube, and you can always rewatch it. And, we're going back even after the fact and looking at comments and questions that we still moderate to try to always make sure that we're reaching out and getting back to people, because we want to help. We believe in what we do. We believe in the arts and the impact it can have on the world, or on a much smaller scale, just your own painting right in front of you. So sincerely, thank you guys for following along, and I hope you really enjoy Jerry's Live workshops, and we will continue to take your lead as we go forward in how it evolves and develops into, what it looks like when we go live for the first time, to a year from now. I mean, we're going to feed off of you guys, your feedback, what you like, what you don't like, and make sure we're putting together a quality program that helps educate, inspire, and, hopefully entertain.
It looks really good.
Does it look like what our inspiration was?
Yeah.
Is she finally happy? No, she wants the floor done. So, are we happy? We're just saying this so we don't do any more work. Okay, yeah, we got claps, golf claps. All right, everybody. It's been a long journey, and everybody's waited all this time to finally see the Jerry's Live workshop set. So, without further ado, Emmy! Ta-da! I think it's safe to stand up. Bruh.
hey.